Hi, I'm Ethan Teng, and I'm a 5th grader at Sienna Crossing Elementary. Today I will be talking about my project, which is called Puzzles, Teasers, and More. Games are designed to challenge your brain in different ways. Bloom's taxonomy is a framework that classifies the stages of thinking and learning. Bloom's taxonomy has 6 main levels. Each stage helps you visualize what level of your brain you are using. The first stage is remembering, which involves recognizing and recalling facts. The second stage is understanding. This means comprehending what facts mean. The next level is applying, which is incorporating facts, rules, concepts, and ideas into what you are doing. The fourth stage is analyzing, which involves breaking down ideas into its parts. The evaluating stage is judging the value of information or ideas. The last stage is creating, which is combining parts to make a new whole. I solved a crossword, Sudoku, logic puzzle, and a picture logic puzzle. This slide shows the corresponding levels used in these puzzles. The Japanese puzzle box uses the stages of remember, understand, apply, and analyze. It was first created for workers who needed to keep their tools safe. Each box required a set of pushes and pulls to open. You had to determine the correct set of movements to open it. Ernest Rubik created the Rubik's Cube because he wanted to help his students comprehend three-dimensional geometry. The Rubik's Cube uses the stages of remember, understand, apply, and analyze. To solve it, you must use twists and turns. There are many ways to solve a Rubik's Cube. These are the similarities and differences between the Japanese puzzle box and the Rubik's Cube. For both puzzling 3D objects, you must determine the correct set of movements to solve. The puzzle box opens after you use the correct series of pushes and pulls. They are made of wood and have been around for more than 150 years. The boxes are usually pieces of art and they have various designs. The more contemporary invention, the Rubik's Cube, does not open and is made of plastic. These 50-year-old cubes have the same design and were originally called magic cubes. The Rubik's Cube uses twists and turns to solve. These are the data I collected based on how my classmates ranked 3 common games, which were Sudoku, crossword, and word search. My classmates liked the word search the best, but many did not think the Sudoku or the crossword was entertaining. My data indicated that several of my classmates thought that Sudoku was not that fun. I find Sudoku entertaining, so I wanted to create a better version of the game, one that most people will likely enjoy. Knowing that many people like sports, I decided to make my game like a Sudoku, but with sport balls instead of numbers. The name of my game is Sportoku. The objective is to solve the puzzle by placing a different sport ball magnet in each column, row, and box. None of the same sport balls can be repeated in these places. The sports are baseball, basketball, football, soccer, tennis, bowling, volleyball, golf, and softball. To set up the game, place the magnets on the board where the card you chose shows where to put them. Here is an example of how you would set up the board. I created 7 setup cards with 3 levels of difficulty. The brain science behind my game is executive cognitive function, ECF. The types of ECF used in my game are problem solving and decision making. These map onto Bloom's taxonomy stages of remember, understand, and apply. As you can see, there are many games that exercise your brain in different ways. I hope you enjoyed my presentation and continue to learn about the endless possibilities of puzzles and games. Thank you.